Hey, welcome back. So found this big log here. We're going to I'm going to cut it down, probably cut it in slices. I got to cut it this way and then cut it this way because it's way too big. Oh, it's starting to snow. All right. Well, we're going to get some snow here. Oh, so let's cut this bad boy up. This is a pretty big log. Thanks for tuning in. My name's Woodchucker. I can't even get my hands halfway. Just rip it down. Cut it right down the middle. I'm using a 28-inch bar. I'm not even through it. Last one, and then we'll cut it off this way. Wow. Alright. Now I'll cut it this way. Oh yeah. Whoa. Look at that. Next. Look at that. Man. So it's hanging on. Look at that. Got one more cut. A little low to the ground, so I'm just going to cut in. Perfect. Get it on the top. Look at that. So you can see, kept going. I'll be doing sparks. So that's why I did that. So I wouldn't keep going and dig my tip of my blade in to the ground. Oh, so let's take a look. Blade will be in the ground here, so I decided to just cut it off. So look at that bad boy. So I got how many chunks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chunks. That is a lot of wood. Now I gotta load it. Hopefully I can plan on putting it on the back of this. So let's see here. Thought it was gonna snow on me. Whew. Let's see here. So we're gonna put them all on here. See if we can get them to fit. I'm gonna bring them over. Oh. Let's bring one over. I'll get them all over here, and then I can figure out how I'm going to put them, see if they all fit. Big chunks. This stump was big. Man, it's all juniper. Alligator juniper. Well, it's still flurrying. A little bit of snow. I don't think you guys can see that. Oh, this feels great. Getting these logs. Our trip up here was up. Our trip up here was pretty good. It was after the fact. We found our campsite and everything set up, and man, the wind was horrible. It's probably 35, 40 mile an hour gusts of wind, you know, and it was in the, I think in the 30s or 40s. So we got set up, and then the next morning, that was this morning, come to find out, my water tank, the where the water comes out and goes into the RV, that had a crack. So I kind of, you know, mended it a little bit, and got it okay. Today I gotta go back, and after we get this wood, and gotta go and it's got a little bit of a drip, not much. So I gotta go and pack all that, so it keeps the weather from freezing that little part that's hanging out. Just a little bit of the tank that hangs out, and that's where everything hooks up. So I gotta pull the belly flap down, tuck some blankets in there, get it all nice and snug, and then put that plate back up. So this feels good to get some wood, and that's what I came out here to do. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put them all on my, oh, this is a bigger one. Holy mackerel. I use my leg, so I'm not really holding it. Hopefully I can hang them off this way. I didn't want to have to pick this guy up again. Yeah, so let's see if I can slap it on the corner. I think I'm gonna only put like 3 or 4. I might be doing another trip. Oh, I think I might. Yeah, can always come back. No sense in overloading. So, yeah, that looks like it's gonna really pack it out. Let's put another one. Let's get the rest over here. Need to move them out of my way just in case, because this is where I back up and go out, because the road's right over here. Oh yeah, need some good chunks. I'm gonna pick this bad boy up. Use a little bit of leverage. Whoop. All right, I think I got it. Holy mackerel. Awkward. Now you know I cut them in half. This is a big one. Come on, get on there. Whoo-wee. That was big. Let's see. Holy mackerel. Whew. Look at that. Got a little issue getting out. It's a little gutter. Pretty sure I'm going to be down. So I got to put some wood in the gutter. Make it more flat instead of it going down and up. Oh, look at those. Oh, trying to figure out. I don't think I could put 2 more in. I think we're getting down. Let's put this one there. Let's see. Is there any way I can do 2? Nope. I might put them in the side by side somewhere. It's a workout, that's for sure. Collecting firewood ain't for everybody. Hell, I don't even think it's gonna fall out. Look at that. Like 1, 2, 3. Yeah. It's gonna be a load. Yup. We're full. Let's see if we can load them up in the back. Gotta load all my other stuff first. All right. I got one in here. I'll put one here and one over there. Yeah, I know. I'm crazy. Crazy. So this ain't my first time doing this. All right. Oh. As long as the door don't open. There's one. We're gonna put the other one on the other side. Let me get that one. There's a somewhat of a big one. A little burn on it. That's all right. Whew. Oh. I've had this thing packed completely with logs, long ways. I don't know, about 15 inches, probably 3 of them in a row. So I can just cut them when I get back to camp. It's a little easier. Look at that. I got room for my saw. Let's get my saw. Man, that blade was sharp. Cut right through it like butter. Let's see. As long as the door don't open. There's my saw. So we're gonna head to the end of the road here and I'll show you what I have to go over now. I barely cleared it, scraped it, so we gotta go back over it now. That's the part I gotta go down. I'm gonna barely miss this big rock, I think. I'll leave that guy right there. I'm gonna go right in that ditch. So I'm gonna throw some of these down here. Gotta keep it up here. I don't know if those aren't gonna be big enough. I hope I don't scrape and bottom out. That would be bad. Grab some of these logs over here. If I bottom out, I only have one chance of getting out. If I don't, it's gonna be brutal. I'm wondering if that's gonna be enough. Gotta keep it flat. Ooh, it's gonna be close. At least I got a tree over on the other side, maybe. Gotta make sure these are set in the middle of my tires so I don't flip them up. So that's my run. I'm good on this side. I don't know if I'm good on that side. Let's see if we can put these in the ditch here. It's a little culvert. This is going to be interesting. Try to keep them as flat as possible. Okay, that one will flip up, but I'll be hitting it pretty close. The same. Oof. All right. I think this is it. I hope I make it here. So we're gonna go squeeze right through there. Be close. I think I can clear it. So let's go get the razor and see if we can get through. All right, here we go. Hope we make it. Oh. All right, got it low, 4-wheel. Go close. Here I am. I'm up. Yeah. That worked out. Did I touch? I don't know. I'll have to check back. So I'm going to get these out of the ditch because I don't like to leave stuff like this. It's just not cool. I'm gonna take a couple. Start to snow now. Woo, see it? I love it. Awesome weather. I think it'll stay. Let's take it nice and easy going out of here. So I'm about 3 miles from camp, I think. So, man, that's a load and a half. Look at that load. You guys see that snow coming down? I don't think you can. Whew. That's a load. It'll be all right. So let's go. All right, we're on the main road. to take off. Everything looks good. Let's go.